Hello and welcome to this short video about factorising quadratics, where a is not 1, so there's more than 1x squared. As an example here, I want to factorise 6x squared minus 19x plus 10. Now the method I'm going to show you is called the x method. So I'm going to draw myself an x there. And up at the top here, I'm going to multiply a by c. If you remember, we get ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 for any quadratic. So I'm going to do 6 times 10 and write 60 up there. At the bottom, I'm just going to have b. So b in this case is 19. Now, as I would need to for factorising quadratic where a is 1, I need to think about some things that multiply and add to give me the same things. So this time though, I want to find things that multiply to give me 60 and add to give me 19. So if I think about the factors of 60, so things that multiply to give me 60, I could have 1 times 60, or minus 1 times minus 60, 2 times 30, minus 2 times minus 30, 3 times 10, minus 3 times minus 10, 4 times 15, minus 4 times minus 15. And I'm not going to go any further, so I've spotted 4 and 15. 4 add 15 is 19, and 4 times 15 is 60. So I'm going to use those. I'm going to have 4 over a, so 4 over 6. And here I'm going to have 15 over 6. So in the left hand side and the right hand side, I have a factor over a and another factor over a. Now what I need to do is simplify those. So 4 over 6 can simplify to 2 over 3. And 15 over 6 can simplify to 5 over 2. Now, those red and blue numbers are going to give me my brackets. This is the bottoms up method. I'm going to have the bottom first, so 3x plus 2 multiplied by 2x plus 5. If you want to just check, if we multiply that out, I'll get 6x squared plus 15x plus 4x plus 10, which is 6x squared plus 19x plus 10. Now using this x method just makes it much easier to find the factors, much easier to find the things that go inside those brackets. Now the x method still works even if you've got any minuses anyway. So again, I'll draw my x. Up here I'm going to have ac and down there b. Factor over a and factor over a. So when I do AC this time, I'm going to get 300, and B is minus 56. So if I need to find things that multiply to give me 300 and add to give me minus 56. So there's probably going to be some negatives involved. So factors of 300, I could have minus 1 times minus 300, minus 2 times minus 150, minus 3 times minus 100, minus 4 times minus 75. I could have minus 5 times minus 60, I could have minus 6 times minus 50, and I'm going to stop there because I'm noticing that minus 6 times minus 50 is plus 300, and minus 6 take away 50 is minus 56. So again, I'll bring those over, so minus 6 over 15, so it's a factor over a, and minus 50 over 15 as well. And they will simplify to minus 2 over 5 and to minus 10 over 3. And if you remember from before, they give me my factors in the bracket, so I'm going to have 5x minus 2 and 3x minus 10. Now this same method also works if both b and c are negative. So again, I'll draw my x. Remember, at the top I want AC, at the bottom I want B. So AC is minus 84 and B is minus 17. So I want factors of minus 84. So I could have 1 times minus 84 or minus 1 times 84. I can have 2 times minus 42 or minus 2 times 42. I can have 3 times minus 28. Or minus 3 times 28. I can have 4 times minus 21 or minus 4 times 21. Now I'm going to stop there because I know the difference between 4 and 21 is 17. I need minus 17, So minus 4 take away, sorry, minus 4 add 21 is plus 17, 4 take away 21 is minus 17, so I know that I need this one here. And it's going to be exactly the same sort of idea. I'm going to have the factor over a. So I'm going to have 4 over 6, and I'm going to have minus 21 over 6. And as before, we'll simplify them. So that's 2 over 3, and that is minus 7 over 2. Okay, that gives me my two factors. Remember, bottoms up, so 3x plus 2 and 2x minus 7. Now you'll have noted, I'm sure, that the negatives tend to go with the second bit, because in the cases that I've shown you, we've needed positive x squared. I hope that helps. Thanks very much.